Hello everyone, welcome back to Imou Lab. Ranger RC is the home defense officer you urgently need. It has a pair of bright eyes which capture ultra clear and panoramic footage for you. But it also has a pair of sensitive ears, which will provide you warnings in real time whenever there are abnormal noises. Let's dive right in. First experiment, we adjusted the warning threshold to 60 decibels in the Imou Lab app. If you have ever worried about the intruders or burglars while away from home, Ranger RC will be your ears for you. It will capture the sound of the environment at all times in case of break-ins. Once there are unusual noises above your set threshold, it will send notifications to your phone so that you can check the security footage in Imou Lab app to better ensure your home security. For the second experiment, we changed the threshold to 70 decibels. If you are worried about the safety of the elders and kids at home alone, this is the threshold setting for you. Worst case scenario, if they accidentally tripped and fell, the sound they make will be above 70 decibels and Ranger RC will notify you immediately. Experiment number 3, we are changing the threshold again. We set it to 80 decibels. I wonder if anyone's ever worried that your child would mistakenly turn on dangerous appliances like the blender and accidentally cause themselves harm. Worry no more. As it reached 80 decibels, Ranger RC recognized it immediately and sent you the information again. Do you know that a baby's cry can easily reach 90 decibels? For the last experiment, we set the threshold to 90 decibels and used a stereo to play the sound of the baby crying. As we expected, when it reached the 90 decibels, we got a notification from Imou Lab. Through all 4 experiments, we changed the threshold from 60 decibels to 90 decibels, and in each of them, Ranger RC always precisely identifies the moment when the volume is above the set threshold and pushes notifications. With Ranger RC, you still get to see and hear whatever's going on at your home, even when you are far, far away. Ranger RC, see and hear, no matter when and where.